morning. Happy end of summer, everybody. We're looking forward to Labor Day at the end of August, and we're here at the Family Village Farm, 89th and Huff area on Crawford, and it's a beautiful day. I know that many of my mental health court participants understand the need to be outside and experience nature, because one of the most important things you can do for your mental health is to either take a walk outside, put your hands in the dirt if you need to, just enjoy the sunshine, enjoy all of God's gifts. So we're harvesting some vegetables. We have some beautiful eggplant, some green peppers. There's a lot of herbs out here. I'm cutting sunflowers to give away. There's a lot of bees that are fertilizing everything. And there's been a lot of changes here at the Family Village Farm to promote further growth. There's some hoop houses out here. It's an amazing place in the middle of the city, and I know all my mental health court participants enjoy being out here, and they're getting double work service credit for it. So enjoy the rest of the summer. I know the hot weather will be with us for a little while longer, but your mental health is so important, and I know especially since the pandemic in 2020, it has made a huge difference to find ways of dealing with the depression and anxiety around isolation and, COVID and all the things that have happened since 2020. God bless everybody. Thank you.
Yes, it's a beautiful day. It's not humid, a nice cool breeze, and we're here at Village Family Farms with Court Community Service, Judge Sweeney, and the Mental Health Docket. Yeah, we've been growing. We putting more of an emphasis on working with youth. When we first started off with our farm 15 years ago, which seems like a lifetime, we were working more with seniors. A lot of those individuals have aged out. So right now what we're doing is putting more of a focus on young adults, children in between the ages of like 10 to 21, to get them more immersed in agriculture and just being outside in their natural environment. Yeah, we're erecting a classroom right now that'll allow us to have programming year-round. And we have our hydroponic shipping container, which we got through a grant with the USDA in partnership with Teen Start. We're just happy for the partnership that we have with Judge Sweeney. We're having the volunteers come out. When you're talking about mental health, being outside in the natural element, which has been proven by studies that it lowers your blood pressure, right? And it's therapeutic, and it's just it has a calming effect on people. I tell people all the time, this is really my safe space and a place of peace for me, just being outside, being within a farm or garden setting. So if you don't garden or farm, you got to work on your green thumb. So we're happy for the partnership and look forward to having more people come out and have more programming for the Huff community in Greater Cleveland moving forward.
I get the eggplants and the peppers. I clip them and I put them on the table. Got them out of the greenhouse. Just taking the seed, put it into the soil, and watching it grow from there. I love that. That's beautiful.
Oh, I love it. The weather is beautiful today, and I love gardening. Couldn't have worked out better.